Today I'm out at Osage Park and I was just thinking that being outside in nature is a great place to come practice gratitude. Spending time in nature can remind us to slow down. Take a minute to look around and listen to the sounds. This mindful practice can help us focus on the positive aspects of our life and help reduce negative thoughts. Nature, it's free and available always. Nature can be like a quick fix. You know, the vastness and the beauty of nature can inspire awe and remind us of the interconnectedness of everything around us, make us enjoy life's simple pleasures. People say studies show, but I got direct evidence that being out in nature reduces stress. And stress is one of those things in life we need to reduce. Being calm and peaceful. And it's much easier that way to find gratitude. Look at this place. Just right down the street. Little urban oasis here. I've traveled to a lot of places, and most places do a great job of having parks that you can go to, get out in nature, take a walk. I almost exclusively come to parks that are free. Not that I mind paying a little bit of money for any of this, but I think it's neat that you can do free, affordable things. I particularly came out here to Osage Park because I heard they had this floating boardwalk going over these wetlands, and it sure is pretty out here. A lot of wildlife. Beautiful day for a walk. So, gratitude, you want to practice it? I recommend getting out and taking a nature walk. I recommend practicing mindfulness in a peaceful and calm location. Some people talk about keeping a gratitude journal. That'd be cool. I make YouTube videos, so this is kind of my journal, and I like to share my experience and my time with you guys, trying to let you know life is more simple than it seems. Just gonna appreciate the good things. Be grateful.